Assalamualaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. Today I will teach you a very important topic in Python, that is dictionaries. So in Python, a dictionary is basically are used to store the data values in like key values pair, in key value pair. Okay, so the dictionary basically is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not basically the duplicate value is not allowed in the dictionaries. So this is my Python shell. In order to create a dictionary is very easy. First of all, I create a dictionary name is student, okay, then equal sign, and after this the curly brackets, okay, and inside the curly brackets the first, for example, item, each item will be stored in key value pair. Okay, so the first of all, the first item is about the student name, and the basically the key will be the name, and after the colon the value will be, for example, Nasir. And the second, for example, item of the dictionary, that might be the student age. So here we create the key that is age, and the value is the age, okay, 29. Then, for example, you can create the third one, third item, the basically that is the marks. Okay, the key is marks, and its value will be like, for example, 100 marks and something like. So by entering a student, if I print the student here, you can see that the student dictionary is created, that have three element. The first one is name. Each element is stored in key value pair, and the duplicate is not allowed. This is very important and most common asked question in interviews. Okay, so now I will show you one by one what is the different methods you can try in the dictionaries. Okay, so first of all we create a student dictionary. Okay, so now you can access any item on the of the dictionary, like for example, if I only want to show the name of the dictionary. Okay, so the name item, so you can achieve this by here like this. Okay, and here you can see that the each, you can basically access the each key. Okay, so now how you can iterate over the all the elements, okay, in order to print out all the keys and values of the dictionary through loop. So this is very simple. For example, we create a for loop, and inside the for loop we denote the key for k and value for v in this iterations. Okay, in the basically the dictionary, and the method is basically items. Okay, inside this one, if we print, for example, each keys, as the variable is key k, we do not in this for the in order in this basically loop, the key represented represent will be, that is representation of the key will be k, and the value will be v. If I enter here, you can see this, all these elements of the dictionary are showing with its key and values. Okay, so how basically if the dictionary is of 100 of keywords, then through this simple two line of code you will print all these. Okay, so the next is you can basically add a new element in this dictionary by, for example, here this is by writing the dictionary name, and inside the dictionary whatever new element you want to add. For example, we add a new item that is the percentage. Okay, and the value will be like the percentage is 40%, 49%, something like. Enter. Okay, so basically it's showing me invalid syntax. Okay, student, and inside the percentage. Okay, if we click here, so the basically the special character is not allowed here. So if I print out all the element of dictionary, here you can see that a new item percentage is also added in dictionary. Okay, so the next thing is you can delete an element from the dictionary by using the del method, and inside the del method we just want which key we want to delete. For example, the age. Enter. If I again print out the student, here you can see that now the elements are name, marks, and percentage. These basically age is deleted from it. Okay, so the next topic, you can also delete all the element of the if you want to empty the dictionary in order to delete all the item, the method is very simple. That is the dictionary name and then the clear method. When you enter all the item, basically the dictionary will be wipe out. Okay, so the next thing is you can print the length of the dictionary by using the method length. Okay, and inside the name of the dictionary, here you can see that there are three element, the length is 3, therefore it returns me the 3 1. Okay, so the last topic of this, okay, first of all we will wipe out all the data. Okay, by the clear method, if I again print out the student, here you can see that the student dictionary is now empty. Okay, so you can create a dictionary by using the dictionary constructor. Okay, so this is very simple. For example, now student is empty. Now if I again create the dictionary name student, we will create it through the dictionary constructor, that is the dict, and inside this one, okay, we can define for you will define, for example, the first is name is equal to something Ali, for example, and you can define the other element, for example age a will be the 22. Okay, the third element is, for example, marks, and the marks will be like the marks is 40. If I here you can see this. Now we create a dictionary by using the dictionary constructor, that is built-in method. Okay, if I enter here, if I again print out the student, here you can see that to that specific constructor we create the dictionary, and the dictionary is this one. So I hope uh, you have understood about the basic concept of the dictionary. If you have any question, you can ask your question in video comment section, or a question link is also mentioned in video description. Just go to that specific link, I will reply it to you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.